a bit of George Ezra. This is, what's this one? Shotgun.
See you later. Gotta hit that road, gotta hit that road. The sun had changed in the atmosphere, architecture unfamiliar. I could get used to this. The time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. Cause there's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need, you know where I'll be. Cause I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. And I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. South of the equator, navigator. Gotta hit that road, gotta hit that road. Deep sea diving around the clock, bikini bottoms, lager tops. I could get used to this. Cause time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. Cause there's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. Cause I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun. And I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. Cause we got two in the front and two in the back, sailing along and we don't look back. The time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. Cause there's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. Cause I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. And I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. And I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. And I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone.
Thank you. Cheers.